Hello everyone, today I will discuss top 50 GK questions and answers. So watch full class and subscribe to this channel. Who was the first health minister of independent India? Answer: Rajkumari Amritkar. Who was India's first chief of defense staff? Answer: General Bipin Rawat. What is the most populous state in India? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. What is the least populous state in India? Answer: Sikkim. What is the longest river in India? Answer: Ganga River. What is the most literate state in India? Answer: Kerala. What is the least literate state in India? Answer: Bihar. What is the national fruit of India? Answer: mango. Where is India's Silicon Valley located? Answer: Bangalore. What is the national flag of India? Answer: tricolor. What is the national flower of India? Answer: lotus. What is the national bird of India? Answer: peacock. What is the national sport of India? Answer: hockey. Who was the first president of India? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is the current president of India? Answer: Draupadi Murmu. Who was the first chief election commissioner of India? Answer: Sukumar Sen. Who was the first recipient of the Gyanpith Award? Answer: G. Shankara Kurup. What is the name of the new scheme launched by the Indian government to provide housing for the poor? Answer: Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. What is the name of the new COVID-19 variant that has been discovered? Answer: Omicron. Which country is called the coffee bowl of the world? Answer: Brazil. What is the capital name of Canada? Answer: Ottawa. What is the name of the tallest mountain peak in the world? Answer: Mount Everest. What is the name of the largest ocean in the world? Answer: Pacific Ocean. What is the name of the longest river in the world? Answer: Nile River. What is the name of the longest desert in the world? Answer: Sahara Desert. Which is the highest dam in India? Answer: Tehri Dam. Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for which animal? Answer: lion. Which Indian state had the first woman chief minister? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Who was the first female chief justice of a state high court in India? Answer: Leela Seth. Finance bill of Indian government is presented in which house? Answer: Lower house. Where was the first art summit held? Answer: Rio de Janeiro. Who invented computer? Answer: Charles Babbage. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer: Mars. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Answer: nitrogen. Which organ purify our blood? Answer: kidney. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer: Jupiter. Who is the father of Indian space program? Answer: Vikram Sarabhai. Who was the last viceroy of India? Answer: Lord Louis Mountbatten. In which year did Gandhiji started the Quit India movement? Answer: 1942. In which year did Gandhiji start a Dandi March? Answer: 1930. Who designed the national flag of India? Answer: Pingali Venkaiah. Which is the highest civilian award of India? Answer: Bharat Ratna. In which field Saraswati Samman award is given? Answer: literature. Who is the first Indian to have won the Pulitzer Prize? Answer: Govind Bihari Lal. Who is the first citizen of India? Answer: the President of India. What is the largest lake in the world? Answer: Baikal. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Answer: Africa. Who published the Human Development Index? Answer: United Nations Development Program. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India? Answer: Tessie Thomas. What is the launch date for Chandrayaan-3 mission? Answer: July 14, 2023. Today I have discussed top 50 GK questions and answers, and these questions are very important. So subscribe and join to this channel for more important classes.